I didn't get there. Thinking about adventures. Well, for the next one, we're going to unbox the fall package number 65, the Jesus and Mary chain, Psychocandy's 40th anniversary. So I'm pretty psyched about this puppy. It's going to be pretty cool. Third man record for the Vault subscription. So this is my first Vault subscription. You can subscribe anytime, but I was excited for this one, so I wanted the special edition stuff. So we're going to plop this open, I'll unbox it and go through everything, but pretty exciting stuff. The only thing I was bummed about was as soon as they released this, they released another copy of, Psychocandy on a Honey Edition vinyl. But this one spins on 45 RPM, so it's faster. Faster means faster grooves, means something sonically better for the ears, I'm sure. Anyways, this is pretty cool because the package opens up like this. It is a beautiful package, look at that. Oh, the sound of that cardboard. Oh, that's a good one. But man, it is fat. The Jesus and Mary chain, Psychocandy 40th anniversary edition, limited edition. That thing's gonna be pretty cool. Super psyched about that. So Third Man Records is always doing. That package is gorgeous too. That's tight. Isn't that nice and tight? So folks at Third Man, keep it up. Keep up that tight boxing. Good stuff. All right, we're gonna dive into it.